Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry some fish. I may have a mixed vegetable and a sweet corn. I mix them up, you can see what I want. I may have some ripe plantain guys. I'll fry some ripe plantain. You can see what I want in the kitchen. You understand how I did, yeah? So today guys, I just a simple menu, some fried fish, fried plantain, and some mixed vegetable and sweet corn guys. Stay tuned, soon come back. You know, when I come in Nicholas kitchen, I'll be a badness, so you watch what I got. Yeah guys, so me fish them in the basin. You understand how I did. So what I go do? You see them 2 year, me not go fry them. I go steam them 2 year. You understand how I did? But you see them 2 year, I go fry them 2 year. I may have some tuna guys. You understand how I did? Yeah, and I go fry some tuna fish so too. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I go season up the fish and I'm gonna see what I go on. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so see me fish. You understand how they this is my fish. You see me tuna fish over here, so yeah. So guys, some bad fried fish. You understand how they and me mixed vegetable and sweet corn guys with some fried plantain. Guys, I be a badness. So me plant here guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen and please remember like, share, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell as I video drop you have it guys. Guys, I be a badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season up the fish then and you understand how they can have some fish season. So I'm gonna do. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna rinse off my fish them again and I'm gonna sew I go in the kitchen. Guys, a be a badness. Yeah guys, so that's some season for my fish you know. Be a badness guys, remember me tell you. Guys, a be a badness now. Remember me tell you. a little black pepper. Because salt, guys, I not put too much salt because you don't know the fish season having salt. You understand how these, so guys, watch out. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I can go and soak a little, light up my stove and I'm going to see what happens. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I light up my stove. You understand how it is. Yeah guys, so meantime I'll add, I'm going to mix up my mixed vegetable and my sweet corn guys. So watch what I got in my kitchen. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, mix up my sweet corn and my mixed vegetable with my mayonnaise. And I put in my fridge and go on set. You understand how I did till my fish done fry and my plant done fry guys. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be about this in Nicholas' kitchen. Yeah guys, so this is my mixed vegetable and sweet corn guys. So I go on my plate here. So I'm going to put some mayonnaise on it guys. Guys, I am happy now. Believe that. Yeah guys, watch what I go on my plate. Yeah guys, so I'm going to cover up this now, put him in the fridge and go and fry some fish. You understand now? So guys, watch what I go on my kitchen. Guys, I'll hot now, so I'm going to do, I'm going to put in some fish. You understand how I did? Yeah. Put in fish, make them go and fry. Yeah guys, I don't know badness in our kitchen enough. But stay tuned to the finishing look. You understand now dude? And guys, we have some bad peanut and oats with banana mix up in our fridge. Guineas and milk. Guys, I'll be a badness. Soon come back. Oh, guys, so I go on in my pot. Right, I kitchen in my pot. See that? Yeah. So we do with it. Guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look. The mixed vegetable and sweet corn and the fried fish and plantain. Guys, we soon come back. As when I say, we have some bad punch in our fridge, so you understand now these, so guys, be about this panda one here and we soon come back, you know. Stay tuned to the finishing look. Yeah, soon come back. Guys, so I go on, be about this. Be about this, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in with 2 pieces of tuna now. So guys, what I'm gonna do now peel up some plantain, fry up some plantain, make it stew all one. Get that, guys. Stay tuned to the finishing look. Soon come back, guys. Yeah guys, so this is my plantain. You understand now, I'm gonna take out them fish here. Them fish are fry already. And stew in some plantain, make them go and fry, guys. Release that. Guys, so I'm gonna put some plantain to fry now. Guys, I cut the plantain very thick. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. You understand how the yeah, that'll be a badness. fish, mixed vegetable.